Hey guys, and welcome back. So let's continue with an animation from Mixamo. Well, the animation in particular I want to take a look at first is the animation called, where is it? Combat. Sorry, my brain is not working right now. Cover idle rifle animation. This one. And I seem to remember that I commented on this a while ago, saying that I could easily fix this um, inside Unreal, and I can actually just fix this. But I think, as I also mentioned, it's worth taking a look at this anyway, because yeah, usually there are several solutions to a problem, and one of them uh, could be to just select the hand here, but that's actually not what I'm going to do in this video. But you could actually just select the hand here and press the key to add a key track for this one, and then you could, where's my rotation here, then you could kind of just, where's my key on this? This is the key. This is apparently not the key I wanted to. Whoops! This is not the right one. Is it this one? Okay. I think this is T, so I would assume this is the translation. Okay, it looks like it's translation. Maybe I picked the wrong one. So maybe this is add a key. Damn it. I don't want to add a key, sorry. So this is the roll. Oh, this is the, okay. So what is this? Seems to be the scale. Oops. That's not the is that the scale? Okay, it's the scale. Okay, but that's not the one I want to touch. I maybe want to touch this one. As you can see, I'm wriggling the hand. So what I'm trying to say here is that I can, I could see if I could pick the right. I'm just going to take them a little bit apart here. So see which one is it I want to adjust. Okay, it seems like it's the pitch I want to touch, so I could hide this one, and so hide the roll and the pitch, and God damn it. How do I zoom in this stuff here? Jesus Christ, this is annoying. Well, I know it is possible. I just don't have the wits to do this, but as you can see clearly, hopefully, I can, god damn it, I can adjust this. I have no idea how to get this, how do I, okay, I can, oh, okay, I can hold down shift and then, no, right click, drag, and I can move this, oops, down. I don't know how to zoom. Anyway, this is terrible. I'm so sorry. It's actually pretty interesting. But anyway, what I'm trying to say here is that I could go ahead and manipulate the key in here and then I could export that and so on. That's one way to go around this, but I can't figure out how to do this, and I'm sure if I spend a little bit more time I could. Oops. So anyway, I'm gonna return to my plane here actually. Can I get rid of this? Remove track. Okay, so that's gonna pop this one back. So yeah, let's continue. What I want to do with this is to export this animation here. But since we have this on skeleton and animation as well, so that means that we are going to get the wrong animation out of if I just export this one. So I need to do the same trick as I did before. I need to play this animation, and I have 68 frames here. So I don't know where my slider went. Okay, weird. So I'm just gonna here say idle rifle cover. What is it called? Hang on a sec. Cover idle rifle. And add this SA. I wrote in the wrong field. Needs to go down here. So hit OK and wait for it to continue. So stop like that. That was plenty. And go ahead and find the cover idle rifle animation right here. So since this is also just some regular idle animation, I'm just gonna pick whatever and say okay, I just need 68 frames, so remove everything. So I have, and I did it again. I need to pick one less. Whoops, Jesus Christ. So it needs to say 67. No. 68. Yep, that's gonna give me exactly 68 frames. But now it doesn't loop. So I guess I need to be a little bit in here and just somewhere like this, and 68. So is it 67? No. Jesus, I don't get this system. Okay, so this is annoying. Somebody watching this, please tell me what I'm doing wrong. I can't figure out why I need to click. Okay. Okay, so now we have the animation looping again. Finally. Okay, great. So save that, and we can bring that into MotionBuilder. So import motion file. Did I export that? I don't think I did. Nope. So export cover idle rifle SA skeletal animation, and cover idle rifle SA, this one. And when you import these, I can rename them immediately. Cover idle rifle SA. Oops. Okay, that's gonna bring the guy in here, and as you can see, it looks actually pretty close to exactly the same as inside Unreal Engine. And that is actually the purpose of this, because now we can go ahead and animate a bit on this so that the hand is going to be correct. And as the way I prefer to do this, there are lots of ways to do this inside MotionBuilder, but one of the more sophisticated ways to do this, I think, contrary to just trying to adjust one little thing inside Unreal Engine, is that, for example, if you were to translate a hand inside Unreal Engine, you would get this, so the hand would not follow. So that's going to be hell to modify that inside Unreal Engine alone. But the thing is, here you can, since we did all this pre-work with characterizing the character here, we can now go ahead and plot this animation onto our control rig. So we're going to say what type do you want, FK and IK, and just leave these as they are shown here. And that's going to create these funny little red light bulbs or whatever. And they are called effectors inside Unreal MotionBuilder. So if I just hide this here, we can see that we have these effectors here. So the purple ones are, as I understand, they are forward effectors, and the red ones are IK effectors. So I'm not actually sure that is entirely correct. Let me just check something. Nope, they are all IK effectors. Oh, maybe the if we hide the skeleton. Oh, the yellow ones. I don't know. Actually, I don't think it's wise to listen to me at this point about what is what. Just watch what I'm doing. Anyway, so I hope I undid everything here, because anyway, what I can do now is to say, for example, my hand here, I select the hand. I can also select over here, and then press E, and then I want to unselect the temporary pivot shift that I had before, so that it comes back here. So now I can change the animation a little bit. So just for the sake of this, I will move the slider to the beginning. And I also noticed that we have a lot of keys on this track here, so or this layer. So inside MotionBuilder you have layers, so I can switch to this animation layer here, which doesn't have any keys at all right now. And I have body part selected, which means that any change I make is going to be, when I key this, it's going to be on the body part that I work on. And contrary, you can pick the full body, and that's going to key everything on the entire body. And I have auto key selected right now with this blue key here, which means that every time I make a change in the pose, it's going to be keyed immediately. So right now we don't have any key here. So I'm just going to turn the rifle a little bit. Maybe that's not a good idea, because I need to go into local space and then straighten it up just a little bit. And Actually, I don't have this set to anything. I have set it to 0, so I need to set this to 100, which is IK blend for the rotation. I believe I need to set this in order for this to take effect at all. Funny thing is, I don't see any keys on my track up here, which is kind of weird. Odd. And my rifle just pop back again. Okay. Okay, I don't know why this doesn't work. That's really weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna manually press S to key this. So now I have straightened that out. I'm gonna move to the hand here, and I'm gonna move that hand a little bit. So I'll move it a little bit down like this, maybe. And the fingers are kind of sticking through, so actually the hand is also kind of clipping through. The hand is not fitted for this gun, so that's something I kind of want to adjust a little bit on. I see that adjustment that I made on my rifle here. I turned the rifle maybe a little bit too much. Looks weird that way. I'm gonna key that as well, and I also keyed the other one. So now we have that adjusted a little bit. So with that in place, I'm gonna plot this back to my skeleton, which is gonna be driven by the animation is gonna be driven by this change that we just made now. So now it's not the control rig anymore. Don't have these purple and orange red light bulbs anymore. But you can also animate just by using this anim layer like this, and for example make some subtle changes to the hand. So let's go into the hand pose. This one. I think I need to. What is up with these fingers? That's some weird angle. Okay. Gonna key that. Just gonna open up the fingers a little bit. And I am no animator, so don't hate me if I'm doing something wrong. This is just what I've kind of taught myself. And actually maybe the thumb here needs to open up a little bit more, and you can hear I'm pressing a key. That's every time I make a change I press S to save that key. So oops, that's what's wrong. Like this, key, and now the fingers look weird. Okay, this is weird. Let's see. This one needs to bend down, and I think the end here needs to bend down as well, and maybe also this one. It's gonna create a little bit of different grip, and just gonna open that up a little bit and maybe close that one down a little bit. Maybe close the thumb a little bit more. Something like that. That looks pretty solid. I think I'm yeah, I think I'm satisfied with this. So whoops, shit, did I forget to key? Oh shit, I forgot to key something. I just saw the fingers pop, some of the fingers pop back. That's why I like this auto key. But for some reason it doesn't really work right now. What am I missing? No. Cancel. Okay, so when I'm turning off the animation, we can see the original hand pose. And when I turn it on again, this is the animation that I made. Well, I hope this kind of illustrates what I'm trying to do and what you can do in here. So anyway, what I'm going to end up by doing here is select both these layers. I'm selecting the top one and shift selecting the other one, and I'm going to hit merge layer and hit merge. And now we have all the animation that we just did on the skeleton. So I hope that is visible. And this video became a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna end this really quick by stopping the animation and hitting the root here in the scene, and I'm gonna select branches. Actually, I'm not sure I need to do this, but anyway, I'm gonna say motion file export, and I'm gonna call this cover idle rifle SA2. And what I want to export is the cover idle rifle only. So just select that one and hit export. So when I go into Unreal Engine again, I can now import and cover idle rifle SA and pick add-on. And that brings in the modified animation, and it seems like we hit it pretty spot on. I think it's clipping a little bit through, but this is kind of the test. If you put the rifle in the correct position when you create that same pose in the rifle idle iron sights animation. So I would probably in this situation go ahead and see if I can adjust this a little bit, because I need I kind of don't want this, so maybe I will do this off video, but yeah, I hope you get the point here so far. So yeah, I will continue in the next tutorial by seeing if I can combine this with a different animation as well. So see you in the next, and bye.